Yo, what's up guys? This is the Wolf, the new video, and on this video gonna be looking at US30, the Dow. You know what's up, man. So I'm not gonna waste time, gonna head straight to the daily time frame. All right, gonna clear the chart and we analyze with you guys. All right, so I love the Dow, man. Like from the previous videos, from the previous video actually, the previous video on the Dow, we did say that because of this beautiful double bottom here, this beautiful double bottom, that the market will go up. And you remember it was the week 24th. All right, 20, yeah, where is it? Come on, where is it? 24th? Somewhere from the 24th until to date on 28th. All right, we did say that the market's gonna go up and it's been beautifully going up. All right, so this movement is kind of over, it's finished, going to the levels. All right, the double bottom structure, which is like, you know, goes down and cut it in half, and then all right, where it begins, where it's gonna end. So it's kind of finished. All right, so from this coming week, just gonna be looking into the new structure. All right, but just analyze, man. Let's just analyze and see it. All right, so remember, then put up those levels. Before we continue with the video, I'd like to give a big shout out to a homie of mine, Ash Graphics. He's been doing my graphics and I'm really loving them. And if you would like also to have graphics done, please, his numbers are on the screen. Go hit him up, and I'll also link up his YouTube channel on the description below. Please guys, go check him out. Like, he's really good. I'm loving him. Like, he's just so great, man. Back to the video. For the US30, I find it very beautiful. Like, this is so beautiful. Like, it's beautiful, so delicious. All right, so just look at this, man. The trends are beautiful, the levels are beautiful. Like, come on, man, this is a snack. All right, so from where we are standing, we know that okay, like it's clear. All right, like I said, this structure is complete. From this double bottom, it's complete. So meaning the momentum I'm gonna get from now, gonna get that a little bit of decline. It might be big, it might be small. All right, because we are at the resistance of a trend line here. All right, so meaning we might get a very beautiful bearish structure for this coming week, but eventually we know we're gonna go up. All right, so this is beautiful, looks so beautiful for me. From where we were standing, the market obviously is gonna respect this trend. Could either give us a small 1 day move and then maybe break structure going to the upside, but what we know for sure is gonna return inside the structure. Might even also return from where it started, and then from there it takes off. All right, because we've seen this thing happens every single time, like every single time. All right, it happens. The market breaks structure and then returns inside the structure, and then it goes below. All right, and then respect the structures, like, and then after it has respected the structure, all right, then the second move it takes after respecting the structure is to break the structure. Like, finally, now it's that point where like just break the structure. Like, finally, it's no longer coming back to that structure, it's just now going on for a new structure. All right, it happens every single time from all the markets. Any instrument to go into, it happens like that every single time. All right, so but obviously it will move however it chooses to move. All right, but that's my point. Like, that's how I see it's gonna happen. All right, because we are at the resistance, and obviously we're gonna pick up that powerful we're gonna have that volume. Like, we're gonna have this, it's gonna respect this so much that it's gonna give us that push. All right, that resistance from this, it could be small, it could be big. All right, so obviously the market moves however it moves, it's gonna respect the levels and everything. All right, but we know for sure from here it's just gonna push below and then maybe will go up. All right, because it seems like the US markets are picking up steam now, because we've been seeing this for the whole year. We've been seeing that the market's gonna pick up whatsoever, but seems like finally picking up. But we are still under this downtrend, and it's so beautiful, man. So beautiful. So maybe by early next year, it's then we're gonna get that always going up market. All right, because we've also have seen from Nasdaq that, yeah, it's kind of promising that from early next year, the market is gonna be that forever going up market. All right, that we love. All right. So, but from this angle, I'm pretty sure, man. Like, I'm pretty sure for this coming week, the market is just gonna give us that beautiful decline. I hate declines. I hate them, but we're gonna get that beautiful decline, at least from until here. Man, the market is gonna do its thing. All right. I don't know how it's gonna move per se, but what I can tell you is that we're gonna get our decline from here. All right, it's gonna be beautiful. It could be small, could be big. All right, could maybe for one day. All right, maybe for one day, or maybe for a single 4 hour. All right, be that beautiful decline and then break structure. Because overall, you've seen that we are looking for that forever going up US market. All right, so let's see from maybe 1 hour what we have. Right, obviously you should always respect those smaller tiny levels. All right, we have our levels in place, man. Do we have a trend? Let's look for a smaller inner trend if we do have it, but I don't think so, man. I don't think this is that much of a big deal. But remember, according to the basics, the first two touches is for drawings. So eventually, like I said, that we'll have that pushback. All right, so meaning you might just get this, and then finally, okay, so we might just get something like this. All right, because kind of seeing we have the drawings for this inner trend in here. All right, so you might get something like that. All right, so should be on the lookout, man. Like, I think the markets are starting to be interesting again, man. Like, I don't know about you guys. I think the markets are starting to be more interesting again. All right, so I think this is gonna happen. Something like this. I strongly believe this is what's gonna happen in the market. All right, I could be wrong. There's always space to be wrong. All right, because that's when we learn the most. All right, but according to my levels, we are looking for to continue going up, man. That's what we are looking for, but a little bit of a decline because of our main trend here, because our main trend is showing us that we are still under a decline. All right, so until we break the level altogether, yeah. But remember what I just said. I did say that on a market, when you have a structure, what happens? You will get a little bit of a fake out, and then the market will return inside the structure to respect. And then what happens? The next move it takes, what it really do? It could either respect that the market, and then the next move it takes, what it does, it breaks structure. It failed to, so meaning from this point, what the market will do, could respect the market, and then the second wave it takes is to break the structure altogether. All right, so but we will see. All right, we will see. Okay, we'll just see, man, because this is beautiful for me. Either direction it chooses to take, I'm just gonna kill. When the market opens, I'm just gonna kill. Like, this is so beautiful. The levels are so beautiful, and like the corresponsive. All right, so guys, I hope you're seeing what I'm seeing, and I hope you're learning something from what I'm doing. All right, and if you do, give me that thumbs up, man. Give me that thumbs up. All right, and then we'll see you on the next video, guys. Peace.